Do your guiding stars have little halos around them that look like this? I have a really quick fix for you. So I've got my guiding to be pretty good, between, under an arc second, a little bit over, but somewhere between, 0.8 to 2 every once in a while. So not bad, pretty good. But what I noticed is quite often the guiding stars I had these little halos around them. And I thought they might be due to dew. So, I have a dew heater on my guide scope. It could be, haze, in the air, sort of wispy clouds or something like that. Turned out to be something really simple. And actually here, I gotta go get, let me go get the camera real quick here and we'll show you what I did. Another video, another bit of navigating around the wife's plants here. Moving this all out of the way. Go. There we go. All right, get that undone. Okay, here I have my ASIAIR 120mm mini, so this just goes in just like a eyepiece would. And I've got the extension tube. You can actually just screw this right off. And you're just left with the camera there. There's a glass window there, but all it is just glass. Some people talked about removing that glass, but I've got a simpler solution. And so if you notice this piece here, it's got this, like it wants to have a filter. And that's exactly what we need to do. Most people say don't put a filter on there, like light pollution filter, it makes the guiding harder. But in this case, the problem is with those halos is that it's actually UV or IR, infrared. I think it's actually infrared that is splattering through. And that's what's causing the actual halos, especially on the bright stars. So let's put this back together. So I have here, this is a player one. So we obviously want the 1.25 inch diameter. That's what you look for. You don't want to get a 2-inch. UV IR cut. That is it. Screw that onto the end. You're good to go. So like I said, I told you it would be a quick fix. Just get yourself, you don't need to spend a ton of money on it. You're just doing guiding with it. So relatively cheap UV IR cut filter. I think they sell for, around $30 on Amazon or from your local astronomy store. And yeah, just stick that on your on the end of your guide scope. You'll have to probably do some refocusing to adjust for the filter in there, but it should be pretty minor. And yeah, that's it. That'll be the fix, and hopefully your guiding will just be that little bit better because PhD 2 is not having to guess where the center is and picking out stars that it doesn't want to use because of those halos. So hope this helps. Let me know down in the comments if you have any questions or any other tips that I could do a video on. That'd be great to hear. Thanks for watching.